How to delete Uniswap account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Uniswap account. To delete Uniswap account, first of all, you will need to open your Uniswap application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top right, you will be able to see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon and now this will take you to the settings section. Here before deleting your wallet account, make sure you have backed up your recovery phase. In this page, you need to scroll down. Here tap on recovery phase under security and tap on this view option at the bottom right. This is your recovery phase. You will need it whenever you log into your wallet account in the future. Make sure to note it down in a piece of paper for extra security. Also, you can tap on this copy option at the top and it will be copied to your clipboard. After doing that, come back to the previous page. Here tap on Google Drive Backup. Here make sure your recovery phase is successfully backed up. Once you have done that, now you can delete your wallet. Come back to the previous page. Here tap on the wallet option or the profile name on the top and you will be taken to this page. Here in this page at the very bottom, you will be able to see remove wallet option. Tap on remove wallet and tap on continue to confirm. Here you need to tap on this checkbox to state that you have backed up your recovery phase. Understand that Uniswap Labs can't help me recover my wallets if I fail to do so. Once you have selected this checkbox, now you can tap on remove wallet at the very bottom. And then you will see you have successfully deleted your Uniswap wallet account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.